Good morning. It is a beautiful Sunday morning here in Hamby Land. You know, trying to get up and get going and everything. And not quite feeling it today, but I'm getting there. So, but we got two special birthdays. All right, there's the neighbor's chickens. Come on, girls. We got first birthday is Wes Whitehead, my great nephew. He's 3 today. Happy birthday, Wes. Hope you have a wonderful day, out and about. Then the next birthday is my nephew, Noah Hamby. Awesome young man. Got an awesome family. He got a heart of gold. So happy birthday, Noah. You have a great day too. And also, come see us at Alcova Methodist Church. And all. Got to go get stuff this morning. I feeding the breeds tomorrow. And also, but a beautiful day here in Hamby Land. I just looking back a year ago, we had Firefly weekend on set, and Sarah enjoyed that. Had Madeline and Meredith, they're over, they caught fireflies and all, so that's been a year ago. It's just amazing what a change in a year. So, enjoy your Sunday, be kind to one another, and be positive, be happy. Call a friend. If you need a friend that think you need spoken to, call them. So, y'all could use a little helping hand every now and then. So here's our bell ring, and have a great day. Hey, Miss Lil.